The market theme Nifty is likely to largely shrug off US Iran strikes. Our call of the day: a cautious opening on cards as WTI crude hovers near $73.50 per barrel. The Strait of Hormuz remains in focus, though the extent of supply disruption is still uncertain. Meanwhile, TCS Q1 FY27 numbers are good enough to improve sentiment toward the IT sector. Digging deeper, TCS numbers are not a blockbuster quarter, but they are better than what many investors had feared. For Friday's trade, we suspect TCS, positive bias. Positive opening of plus 1% to plus 3%. Infosys, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, likely to trade with a positive undertone in sympathy, unless there is a sharp deterioration in global risk sentiment overnight. Bottom line: vertical bar trades selectively on leveraged long positions. Trade light and stay nimble as geopolitical clouds continue to hover over Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's rebounding session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 533 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2,058 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty appears headed for a phase of massive consolidation, with prolonged volatile action quite likely. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index dropped towards 13.36 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has firmed up higher towards 95.63 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.85. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.66. Midcap Nifty is at 0.99. Nifty Outlook: Nifty appears to have attracted bargain hunters after Wednesday's sharp sell-off. The spotlight now shifts to the Q1 earnings season, where strong corporate commentary could help bulls regain momentum. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,963. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,621 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,257 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,900 and 24,200. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 76,742. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,351 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 77,327 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,500 to 77,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,252. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,857 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,900 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. WTI crude oil and Middle East tensions remain key overhangs. Sectors likely to outperform: information technology, pharma and healthcare, telecom, private banks, realty. Sectors likely to underperform: oil marketing companies, OMCs, aviation, auto, paints and chemicals, upstream oil and gas. Stocks to watch: positive bias Divi's Lab, Sun Pharma, DLF, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank, Home First Finance, Mankind Pharma, Lupin, Swiggy, Eternal, Kalyan Jewellers. Negative bias DR: Reddy's Laboratories, BPCL, HPCL, Interglobe Aviation, Indigo, Geo Financial, Trent, TMPV.